Okay, we still keep doing the trigonometry exercise, okay? Because just those very basic one, I think is not enough. So I've given you two exercise. So we just do the stage 1 today first, okay? So find out those exercise called finding the size of the right angle triangle. That exercise, okay? So I will do some for you in stage 1, okay? So stage 1, from question 1 to question 3 is quite easy. You're just practicing how to use the calculator, okay? You must have a calculator, okay, along you. Okay, so I'll do question 1 to question 3. I just do 2 small parts of that, okay? So please follow me, okay? Let's go to question 2, C, okay? You just copy this, 8 times sine 67 degree, okay? You just use a calculator like this, okay? Press A first, and then times sine, okay? 67, okay, you got number. So you have to keep 3 standard figure, okay? Meaning that it is actually 7.36, okay? That's the result, okay? And then going to question 3, C again, okay? 7 divided by 4 times tangent 27 degree, 72 degree. So here, how to press your calculator? You must do the denominator first, okay? Do not from here to here. No, do this first because this is a big block. We do the big block first, okay? 4 times tangent 72 equal to something. You press the equal, okay? Then you have this ugly number, right? And then use 7 to divide it by this answer, okay? You have the answer bottom, right? And then equal to, you got the final one. This should be the correct one, okay? So approximately 0.569 is okay. So I will only do these 2 small parts, okay? So next we go into the figures 1, okay? The figure 1. So from question 4 to question 6, I'll do each part of them, okay? So question 4, go to B, okay? Go to B, this. So every time you have to recognize, okay, which trigonometry ratio you have to use, sine, cosine, or tangent. So look at this figure here, okay? 17y and 34 degree. What can you use, sine, cosine, or tangent? It is actually, you should use sine because you have to find out the longest side, okay? Not tangent at all, okay? But for this 34 degree, the opposite side, it is 17. So you have to use sine, not cosine, not tangent, okay? So you write sine. Sine 17 equal to, so put a fraction line first, okay? And then do what? Do the denominator, okay? Find the longest side, okay? Put it here. Understand? And then the opposite side above, right? It should it should be 34 degree here. It should not be 17. Okay, 34 degree. Okay? Understand? And then you use this as an equation. For equation solving, we don't like denominator. Okay? You times both sides by y. So you have this. Okay? Please calculate it step by step. Don't jump steps. Okay? You have this first. Understand? So next you have to find y, right? Divided both sides by sine 34 degree. Understand? And then use your calculator. Now, okay? Every time you make the y subject first, okay? And then use calculator. It's okay? So actually you have 13.4, okay? 13.4. Understand? So this is question 4b. And then go to question 5b. Question 5b. It's okay? So look at here, okay? Do you involve the longest side in your calculation? Yes, because this y is the longer side, understand? So it should be using sine, either sine or cosine, understand? Not tangent. Is okay? So look at this 4. Is it the opposite side of 38 or the adjacent side? Adjacent side, right? So it's not the opposite side, so you cannot use sine, but only cosine here, okay? Every time you have to recognize which one you have to use, understand? So cosine, okay, 38 degree equal to, put a fraction line, always write the denominator, the longer side y, okay? Understand? It should be 4 above. Okay, you have denominator again, right? So times both sides by y, you have this. Remember, you have to write this calculation step by step. Don't jump steps on, okay? So y here, okay, divide both sides by cosine 38, okay, 4, and then go to the calculator, okay? So this should be 5.08 roughly, understand? Okay, next go to question 6b, okay? Just look at the figure, look at the triangle here, okay? Any longer side you have to get involved with it? No, okay? Because all the unknown here you have to find, just y, understand? And then 15, and then 32, anything here for the longer side? No. So you should not use sine or cosine, understand? You can only use tangent. It's okay? So you use tangent, okay? Tangent 32 degree, put a fraction line, okay? For the tangent on the right, write the opposite sides first. 15 above, understand? And then y at the bottom. Is okay? So next, you times both sides by y, okay? It's okay? And then you have to find y, right? Divide both sides by tangent 32 degree, okay? And then go to your calculator. So you got 24.0. Okay? It's not very difficult when you calculating this, but you have to write the very first expressions. That will be very difficult. Not that difficult, but you have to recognize correctly. Understand? Okay? Every time you have to make this correct. Otherwise, all the things here, okay, are incorrect. Okay? So keep going. We go to question 9 to question 7 to question 18. Understand? So here, question 9. Okay, the triangle is here. So look at the informations. Okay, look at here. Z 5 and 67 degree. Understand? So what can you construct? Sine, cosine, or tangent? Tangent. Yes. So you use tangent. Okay. 67 degree equal to, so per fraction line, always write the opposite side, okay? 67 should be z here, right? And then 5 here, okay? And then you have to calculate z, right? We don't like denominator, times both sides by 5, okay? Have this, understand? Actually, it's already z equal to something, right? So you can use your calculator, okay, to press and then give the result. Okay, it should be 11.8. Understand? So go to 12. Can you tell me sine, or cosine, or tangent you should use for this? Sine, right? Correct. So we use sine. We first write down sine 58 degree equal to fraction line. Always write the longest side at the bottom first. It should be z here, right? And then 10 should be above. Okay, so here you have to calculate z. We hate the denominator. We times both sides by z. Okay, and then you got z sine 15a degree equal to 10. That's okay. So next you have z equal to, you divide both sides by sine 98 degree 58 degree, and then go to your calculator. So it should be again 11.8. Okay, it's okay. So go to 13. Okay, just recognize very carefully. sine, cosine, or tangent you should be used? Cosine, correct. Okay, write cosine. 66 degree equal to, okay, fraction line, write the longest side at the bottom first, it should be x, right? And then 3 above, okay? Times both sides by x, okay? You have this, okay? And then x will be equal to 3 divided by cosine 66 degree, okay? Go to your calculator. You got 7.38, okay? 7.38. Understand? So I'll keep doing. I'll do 2 more, okay? 17 and 18, okay? So look at the 17. Can you tell me sine, cosine, or tangent you will be using? Yes, of course. So we write tangent 23 degree equal to, the opposite side should be 6.8 divided by y. Understand? It's okay? So times both sides by y, you got y times tangent 23 degree equal to 6.8, and then y equal to 6.8 tangent 23 degree. Okay? So next, you have to use your calculator. So you got about 16.0. Okay? So next, go to 18. Can you tell me sine, cosine, or tangent you use? Yes, of course. So cosine 15 degree equal to, the longest side should be 20.2, right? At the bottom, z should be above. Understand? Times both sides by 20.2. You have this. Understand? So go to your calculator, press in. 20.2 times cosine 15. So you got actually 19.5. Okay? So understand what I'm doing? So if it's okay, I want you to do the rest of the stage 1 exercise. So you do it now.